This video shows you how to save your own settings and workspace for AFT7. Step number 1. Open a pre-installed turnkey workspace, wait for the charts to load. Step number 2. Maximize your chosen chart, and open the Ninja Buddy settings. Click the 4 dots Settings menu. Ninja Buddy Settings view will appear. From here you can view and edit the settings and save your trading template. Trade Entry tab displays trade modes. Trade signal, filters, account and position sizing. Use Trade System account to set the desired trading account as supported by your data connection for sim, demo or live trading. Click the Trade Filters tab to view and update, toggle filters on or off and edit values. Click the Stop Loss tab to view and edit the basic stop loss settings and modes. Configure risk, stop loss placement, break-even stop and trailing stops. Click the Advanced All tab to view and edit the full view of available parameters. Step number 3. Click Save As to save your changes to a setting file name of your choice. Click OK to apply changes and close the Ninja Buddy settings. Templates files can be browsed from the Tools menu. Step number 4. Save your trading workspace from the NinjaTrader Control Center. Your new workspace will now be ready for you to use each time you start NinjaTrader 7.